Hi everyone, this is video taken on New Year's Eve during a very misty, foggy night where we couldn't even see that much further ahead of us, especially while driving. Now, during mist, orbs are very, very active, just like the rain, but when it's misty and foggy, they just go absolutely crazy. And in some of these screenshots, you can see that there's something inside the bubble, and they look like rods. Sometimes they look in different shapes. And I've been doing a lot of research today, and I keep coming back to cells. I keep coming back to an embryo and ovum. And I came across this article back in 2019, EMBL researchers uncover new role of fluid pressure in controlling embryo size and cell fate. And then I was reading something that somebody shared by a Dr. Jack Kruse, where he has one of the most detailed models of a human cell. And later on, he mentions water at an interface in a cell or in the atmosphere has a surface tension due to the polar interactions of water with other water molecules at the interface surface of the semiconductive proteins and lipids. This clustering of coherent domains imparts a crystalline property to the water inside of the cells, that crystalline property is something that kind of rings out with one of the screenshots that I have in this video. In the bodies of living organisms, the clusters form hydration layers around biological molecules. And again, this goes to bubbles, back to bubbles. It is known from electronics that different patterns which contain information result within a cluster depending upon its atomic structure. And there's more to this which I will share. But getting back to the orbs, what is inside an orb has always been something that I've been fascinated with, because I know that there's so much more that has to tie into some kind of science. And I'm hoping to buy a way better radio frequency, magnetic field strength meter, EMF reader. The one that I had that was old was just pretty much junk. So I'm going to give that a try and do some readings here. Anyway, take care. More later. Bye.